Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to Find the Collector channel. Today is football day, and as you know, yesterday was draft night, and I have to say that I'm really disappointed with the Packers' decision. Why? Because they had two of the best wide receivers free, and what did they do? They chose Jordan Love, a young quarterback for the future. But if you wanted a young quarterback, you had Jamie Winston in the free agency. Jamie Winston is only 26 years old, and he would have been able to learn from Aaron Rodgers for the future. Okay, well, after sharing my opinion, let's start with the box of today. The box of today is the Absolute 2019 Football Mega Box. 3 boxes, 5 cards per box. We should have 3 autos and 2 patches, at least. But the best of this box is that if we are really lucky, we will find a Kaboom! Yes, the ultra rare Kaboom insert. Let's hunt! One, two, and 3 boxes. Let's start for the right. First box. One pack. Wow, what a beginning! Patrick Mahomes, the MVP. Here we have Mahomes. Randy White, 49 for Sam. Rookie card, Darwin Thompson, number at 199. Cool design, so shiny. Our first patch and auto, Josh Jacob, auto on a sticker, beautiful auto, not numbers, but beautiful and a great player. And Davante Adams, 23 of 75 from the Packers. We are putting it right here. Let's start with the second box. Not bad. The first box, Mahomes, Adams, and a rookie patch auto, Josh Jacobs. Second pack. Joey Bosa. Kirk Cousins, base. Wow, I love this player. Larry Fitzgerald. Patch number at 199. Here we have another rookie also, Andy Isabella from the Cardinals, 1 of 30. Great. And the last card, Chris Carson, number at 100 of 100. Great. Second box, not bad, it could have been better. Here we have the third box. First card, Juju Smith-Schuster from the Pittsburgh. Base card. Number 19. I like this number. Second card, Joe Mixon, base card 2. Third card, Team Tandem, Gary Jennings and Tyler Lockett, number at 199. Here I've seen some points. And last card from this box, Big Ben, the man of the box. Big Ben, number at 100. Not bad this box. Patrick Mahomes, base card. Andy Isabella, auto. Davante Adams at 75. And a beautiful Josh Jacobs rookie patch auto. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay safe, stay strong, and stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, and see you soon.